Hi, I'm Reva with Quality Sewing and Vacuum, and I would like to share with you something that's going to make your quilting easier. I don't know if you've ever had to baste your project together, whether it's quilting or something else, but you want to get your layers of fabric together, or you're doing applique or something like that. Sprays are great. They're wonderful. But a lot of times we don't want to inhale that spray. And of course, you never want to spray near your machine because it will get inside your machine and you don't want that gook in there. So there's a new product from Quilter Select. This is called Free Fuse. And this is a granular powder that is fusible. So it's softer than other powdered fusibles that you may have seen. So it needles very well. It doesn't get gummy. It's not hard and gluey. So I just want to show you how this works. So I have my fancy dancy pressing surface here. It's a table runner. I suggest you use a real ironing board at home, but hey, you do with what you got. So and then I have my fabulously huge quilt. Okay, so here's my one layer of fabric, and of course I have batting and a top. The trick, or the thing to know about Free Fuse, is that when you open it up, the Free Fuse is in a plastic bag, and you're going to pour it into the little shaker, and it has holes in the top a lot like a salt shaker, and that's all you want to put on is just lightly salt it. That's all you want to do, and then you're going to put your batting down. Now what I do at home if I'm working on a large thing is I put the back down and I put the batting but roll it back and sprinkle and then roll it toward me and press. So I do sections at a time. I don't have a pressing surface large enough at my house for a king size quilt. I don't know about you, but so I do it section at a time. So then I want to put my other part on, and I'm just going to lightly salt it and then put the top on. So now when you go to press it, you just hold it there for like 4 seconds. So we're pressing, we're not ironing, because ironing causes shift. So we're just going to press it for about 4 seconds and then go to the next section. Quilter Select suggests that you use a pressing cloth, like a Teflon pressing sheet, so that way you don't get it on your ironing surface or on your iron. And I'm going to flip it over just so I get that back side. But obviously I'm living dangerously here, so we'll see what I do to the iron and everything, right? When you're at home and you're working on a larger project, I do one side, then I flip it over and do the other side. So I don't usually put the product on both sides at the same time because I just don't want to make a mess. And if you ask my family, I'm good at making a mess. So here is our finished project, and I didn't get any here because I was trying not to spill here, but you notice it's tacked, and it has a light tack. It's semi-permanent, so it's not going to hold it together permanently. You still need to quilt it. But the neat thing is it's still soft. There's no hard glue balls or areas where there's adhesive that you can feel it. It's so soft it doesn't change the hand of your project at all, but it will hold it together so you can do your free motion quilting, you can do your quilting embroidery, you can put it however you want to do it. It has this ability. Oh, and I have a friend who hand ties her quilts, and this would even work for that. I think she's insane because it has that hand thing in it. Machines and me, we're okay. So give this a try. It's not messy, and the one container will last you a very long time because you're just lightly salting it. Your plan is not to, where's that corner that I didn't get to? Your plan is not to get every single morsel coated with the product, just enough to hold those layers together. And one other benefit that I find with this over my spray adhesives, I've kind of gone away from those and just use this now, is because when I use the spray, sometimes there's too much of a concentrated spot on one part of the fabric and it leaks through and you can kind of see that stain, or it won't stick to batting. So this will stick to both. And like I said, it's just nice and light and soft. And so you don't have to worry about the recipient of your gift saying, ooh, what's that? So anyway, give it a try. I think you're going to like it, and enjoy.